What's up, everyone? Scott Barnes here with another live action blackjack session with NG Slot. This one just got posted a few days ago, or maybe yesterday, I'm not sure. But it looks like he's going on a run a little longer too when I looked at the timestamps. So let's hop into it, you guys. Let's give NG a slot. Let's give him a like, subscribe, head over to his channel. Let's have some fun.
With 500.
Oh, and of course,
2,000 with black.
Because, you know, we got to represent Peppermill Casino.
Thank you.
In Reno, Nevada.
Alright guys, so we just signed the credit line and here we go. I'm going to start with two hands.
Your protein shake.
$600.
Let's do it. $20,000 buy-in. $600 hand. Let's go.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day. So there is no surrender, guys, here. We can't do surrender. How much is the max? 5,000 or 10? 5,000, okay. And the max bet is 5,000.
Alright, and we'll start that off too for you guys who like to surrender or not. There's a few instances that I've seen that might seem like a reasonable thing to do.
Stay.
Nice.
Stay. Alright, that's a break even hand. Excuse me, what's your name?
Luli.
Luli?
Luli.
Okay.
Lou.
Alright, we are gonna double down this 600. Yep. Stay there. Thank you. Nice. Alright, I will take it. We just won $600 on this one. Give the $600 hand.
Someone left a comment too. I love how clean the tables are. That's an old casino too. It's gotta be a
We need some splits and
30-year-old casino, maybe older.
Picture. Oops.
And I love how clean. I'm with him.
I'm gonna try
the comment. You're 100% right. I love the clean
try
tables.
three hand and
No side bets.
$800.
No crazy, images on there. Just clean. I like that.
Thank you.
It's very visually calming.
Come on, blackjack.
Got
All right,
double,
that's
two doubles.
kind of nice one, right? Let's do both face
If you want to
down.
be greedy, you can do 3 doubles.
800 double down. Yeah. So on this one, yeah. Stay on this one. So we double down this one, guys, and double down on that one. It's $800 a hand. Oh, okay. Perfect.
This one down as well?
Yep. All I need you bust.
17.
Okay, we got
Nice.
that one. 1,600. Once again, big shout out to Peppermill Casino, guys, for giving me permission to record my
That
blackjack
is
session.
cool that Peppermill does that.
Another 800 here. Perfect. All
Nice.
right, that's
nice.
a nice
That was
one.
a great hand.
What a beautiful winning hand. So 1,600, 800, 600. That's a 4,000 winning hand.
After I was watching the Aiden Ross and Cody from Exposed, I mean, even seeing Steve will do it going to Red Rock,
Thank you.
right? And that's,
You can check out the
I think that is the
full session
casino
at Main
for streamers. And I wonder if it's
That
like,
was a nice hand.
if it's been,
Yeah, sure.
if
you
it was
can.
good in the
Of
beginning and
course.
now it's bad. And I
Yeah.
wonder now it's bad because you saw the
Thank you. Can I get a
Dude,
25, please?
these guys are spilling drinks, they're
That
coming
was
in with
amazing,
VR
man, for
headsets.
sure.
It's like, it comes to a point, is it a clown show? Like, are we really advertising? And like,
Thank you.
is that what Red
We're
Rock
gonna keep,
wants to represent
three
them
hand, $800.
as their, customer base? So I think about that kind of stuff, because the casino has to,
And this is it for the
like the fact that they're getting exposure, but at the same time,
I
are
have
we
to do
wanting
like
these
this.
kind of
That's
people?
for you.
Hey, at the end of the day,
Okay.
they're getting your money, right?
All right, all stay. No, oh shoot!
Dang. Quick tip of the day. Protein powder, Costco. They've got a sale going on.
Okay.
They're trying to get rid of their
So let's try one hand.
It's a s'mores protein powder. Usually it's $64, and right now, music went out. Probably a song, something. I'm gonna see if I can combat this. That way we can have like some sort of background noise. But that being said, yeah, Costco's got a good deal. I think it's like $54 for a bag of protein, which is pretty good. Everything's getting expensive. All right, let me see if we can get this. Hold on, let's try this really quick. Boop, 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 boop. You got some work. There we go. We're gonna make some background noise of a casino. Or you know what I could do? Could watch one of old NGs and that sounds like. I think he's at $400 a hand right now. Or $900 a hand. Dang. Yeah, he's doing $900 hands. All right, 1,000. $1,200. Ooh. Oh man.
Let's go.
All right, we got some sound coming back on.
I'm gonna just double down that 11. How much is that? 1,200, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's do face down, please. Picture. Picture. Oh, picture. Nice. That's a nice
Man.
one. That's a beautiful one, guys.
Barely.
7,020 swing. That's a 2,400 there and 1,200 here. You can check out the full session at my NG Slide YouTube channel, guys. See with how much I start, how much I cash out. Very nice. All right. Now we are gonna do 600. Can I get 25, please? So sometimes people say NG doesn't tip. This is the tip for the dealer, guys. I just play for the dealer. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm a subscriber.
Yeah.
How long you gonna stay in Peppermill?
I'm gonna leave tomorrow.
Good luck.
Thank you, dear. You too. Big shout out to my powerful subscribers. Oh.
All right, another question for you guys. Do you guys like to tip your dealers straight out,
I'm
or do
gonna
you like
try
to bet with them?
300. 1,200. I'm going to try one more time for you. Okay. Let's go.
Dude, this girl, she is dropping cards all left and right.
Okay, guys. So we need a 7 for the dealer. 7 or she bus would be nice. Ooh.
Every time.
We just lost 3,600. So, what we have here? So we have 15,000, 17,000. Okay, let's try 2 hand and
He's down about $2,000.
That's 18, guys. Stay.
Big one.
Oh my gosh. Kind of Archie bus, right? But I will take it, guys. Break it. We played almost like 60% of the shoe. Stay. Finally. Once again, welcome NG's powerful, wonderful subscribers to another blackjack session. And big shout out to Peppermill Casino, guys, for giving me permission to record my blackjack session. If any slot channels needs, just let me know, guys. I will introduce you their team so you can get the permission also to record your blackjack session according to the rules.
You split the eights.
I love to split those eights, but not against the picture. Just hit.
Nice.
8-7. Ah. All right. Let's do another $1,400 hands. BJ.
He would have got a 21 on one of them if he does split and double.
6, 7, 8, 9 would be nice.
But you're supposed to split on those every time, if I'm not mistaken. Split eights.
You know
It's
what?
like twos
I'm
and
gonna
eights are always
try
a split.
one hand.
And if I'm wrong, please correct
So
me.
let's do one hand, guys. That's a $2,800 hand. Let's go. Stay. 22. Very nice. Boom. You can check out the full session of my NG Slug YouTube channel, guys. Perfect. So let's see what we have here, guys. So this is what we have. I'm up $600 for this session so far. That was a good thing I didn't keep my bet. Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna do 200.
There we go. All right.
$1,200 each.
Every time, man.
Can I have a 7? What about 6?
Awesome.
Okay.
Big
Picture.
one.
Nice.
Yeah.
What a beautiful hand, right?
Dude, it's funny. I don't mind him, man. A lot of people don't like his. It's just weird. Everybody comments on,
All right.
on his
I'm gonna just keep the $1,200
betting the way he does. And I like how he plays, man. I really do like how he plays.
What about here? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. It's kind of more. Let's do one hand 500. Yep. Woo. Okay, we are going to do 3 hand, 1,000 each.
This kind of looks fun. Let's double that.
Let's do face up.
Split the sevens, though. I kind of would want to split the sevens.
Just
That
close.
sucks. That sucks.
Hit here. Perfect. Just bust. So we just lost 2,000 on this hand. That's a 20. That's 20. What is those pictures? Okay, let's do 3 hand again. 1,000 each. Nope. Okay, she didn't have anything, so
I mean,
so dealer
we could get greedy. Let's split those 8s, double down that 10.
I'm gonna split my 8s. Let's get a 2 or 3.
2, 3, 10.
Perfect.
Okay.
Face up.
10.
Uh-oh.
All right, whatever.
Stay and...
Attaboy. Let's do it. Come on, face. 14.
Picture.
14.
Nice. That's a good hand, guys.
Great hand.
2,000, 3,000, and 1,000. That's a huge swing, guys.
Huge.
That's a... how much? Yeah, that's a lot. So 2,000, 6,000. Actually, no. Yeah, that's a 2,000.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Let's see how
6,
much-
7,
that
8,
was a massive
9,
swing.
10, 11, 12,
See how much that was,
13,000.
guys. That was crazy swing, right? Yeah, that's $12,000 swing. Boom! You can check out the full session at
$14,000 swing.
All right, guys. That was just short video for my Instagram.
That was
Let's
great.
get some 125 please. Guys, let's get 20,000 likes for this amazing blackjack session. Okay, now we are up for this session 3,500. I'm gonna just keep my 3 hands. $600 each. And again, tip for the dealer. Come on, BJ. Boom.
There we go. Ooh. All right, we got a little action. Not
Say
really.
we won finally together.
Does the dealer get 3 to 1 or 3 to 2?
Who
on
we
the...
have here? Mr.
Oh, she does.
Big
Okay,
Mike. What's up, Mr. Big Mike? You're welcome.
Cash play? Can I do cash play?
Excuse me, sir.
I want to play $10. Is that okay?
What is going on right now? This
I
is
wanna play
hilarious.
like $5. I'm not
Are you serious?
But yeah.
It's a reserve.
Can I get 10 ones? I'm so joking.
This guy.
Like,
This
who is this guy?
this guy.
It's a reserve. It's a minimum $12.
12?
Yeah, minimum
Oh,
12.
I'm on the wrong table.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Hit here. Just hit here. Yep. One more.
Wow.
6, 7. Perfect. Like 3, 4 would be nice. Perfect.
Good. That
I will
works.
take it. That's push. This one win. Push. Okay. So we just won the blackjack. What's up, brother Mike?
Good job, NG.
Awesome job, NG.
I can't believe they don't let me play $10.
Yeah.
Terrible.
I think you should to go to Plaza.
Plaza?
Yeah, for $10 bets. All right, so we are gonna hit 16. That was the last shoe.
That's Joker.
Guys, she's gonna give me club of 6. Check this out.
Club of
6.
6.
Club of
I
6.
love it.
Yep. It's kind of 6, right?
No, you turn it around.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're right. Stay. Perfect. Perfect. We just lost 600. But guys, this is awesome. We just won on this shoe. We are up. You're welcome. So for this shoe, we are up $3,600, $3,700. That's awesome. I hope you enjoyed this blackjack. And once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG. And please, let's get a 20,000 likes, my dears.
Do
Love you
it.
and
20,000 likes, man. I'm lucky enough to get 100. All right, guys, that was a fun run. Again, I do love NG and his betting style. It might be a little unorthodox, but hey, everybody's got their own speed. It's just like anything in life, right? The way you drive, the way you eat, everybody's got their own preferences. And do we really got to harp on how people eat, drive? Yes, we do. All right, guys, I love you like always. I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.